Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Just out here doing some maintenance on my mower. It is a Husqvarna riding mower, 48-inch cut. Right now, I have a bad valve cover gasket. I've got to replace the old gasket because it was leaking oil. You can see all the burnt oil on it, plus oil inside. I gotta get out. What you see in the valve gasket or the valve cover is the seal I've been scraping off. That is not from damage to the engine. This one right here is actually great. I've had no problem out of that side. This is a V-twin engine. What I will be doing next is taking this off to check the carburetor, because I believe I've got a bad carburetor or I've got a hole in my gas tank on this mower, because this thing is very, very hard to start. I've also checked the tightness of the valve, the lifters, the springs, and the push rods. Everything's good. I just need to check that side next. If you guys got any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm currently also still working on my car club. The name of my car club is the Next Generation Car Club. I have a page up on Facebook. Go check it out. I've been placing business cards. Membership is open and free.